Ever wondered how astronauts aboard the International Space Station manage to eat and stay healthy in the unforgiving vacuum of space? Well, the answer lies in the evolution of the ISS food and nutrition system. In the early days of the ISS, when the crew numbered merely 3, the food system was relatively simple. Supplies, including food, were replenished every 90 days by the aptly named Multi-Purpose Logistics Module, brought by the Space Shuttle. The menu, however, was not quite as vast or diverse as one might hope. Until 2004, the ISS operated a joint US-Russian food system, dubbed the Shuttle Mir system. This wasn't a case of simple meal planning, though. The ISS couldn't rely on the method used by the Space Shuttle, which produced water as a byproduct of its fuel cells for food and drink. Instead, the ISS relied on solar power, prompting a need for water recycling. However, this recycled water wasn't sufficient for food preparation, so the astronauts' diet primarily consisted of frozen, refrigerated, or thermostabilized foods. These are essentially foods that are canned and stored at room temperature that don't require additional water for consumption. And what about beverages, you ask? Well, they also came in a dehydrated form. Concentrated fruit juices were added and stored in the refrigerator. The beverage package was similar to the one used on the shuttle and utilized a foil and plastic laminate for a longer shelf life. Water was dispensed into the package through an adapter in the galley, where it mixed with the drink powder. The same adapter also held the drinking straw. Food packages were designed to be microwavable, opened with scissors, and eaten with utensils like a fork or spoon. This might not be fine dining, but in the harsh environment of space, it was a system that worked. So, to summarize, the food system on the ISS didn't just differ from that of the Space Shuttle, it was a whole new world. It included a reliance on solar power, a necessity for water recycling, and a diet primarily of shelf-stable, easy-to-prepare foods. It's a testament to human ingenuity, showing how far we're willing to go, or rather, how high we're willing to fly, to explore the great beyond.